I have here a 2005 Jeep Liberty. I replaced the rear tailgate with a used tailgate, and this is basically with the interior panel off. You can see all the wiring connectors and the wiring harness. Once I got this thing all put together, the latch didn't work, the windshield wipers didn't work, nothing worked. The BCM body control module would not even register the back door being there. I basically went through checking all the switches inside the door latch, the door handle latch, the tailgate being closed latch, and the servo for popping the tailgate hatch glass, that is, the windshield wiper, and swapped the parts out, luckily with the parts from the other tailgate, and it still wouldn't work. Spent about a day doing that. And what I finally come out to finding was that the wiring harness is different between the two tailgates. And now I'm working on fixing that problem with the wiring harness that I pulled from the old tailgate. So hopefully everything should work and I haven't messed anything up. Alright, looks like I've got this thing fixed. Best I can tell. Let me take the clicker. Yep, that works. Door latch. Barely pulling it. That works. Door opens. Door is shut. Lock the window. Wipers are working. Pull on the door latch. Nothing happening. I guess that's a good sign. Although I can still open the door with it latched and the wiper's still moving. Not sure if that's a problem or not. That's about the only quirk I found with it. And of course the information center is working for both the glass and the hat or the door. This is the tailgate latch mechanism. Right now it's in the open position, and when I want to trick it into thinking it's closed, I'm going to push that lever back or cam back. And as you can see, I'd be in a lock position. If you look inside, you'll see a little piece of white plastic, and that's got a micro switch on it. So then what I want to do is I'll take a screwdriver and I can push it in there, and you'll see it sliding back. And that basically fools the Jeep into thinking that the door is closed. This cam also has a micro switch down in the bottom that senses that it's in lock position as well. Both of those micro switches, I guess, go back and tell the BCM that the tailgate is latched. Maybe one goes up and turns off the lights. I'm not sure how the wiring works on it. When I'm wanting to clean this up, of course I disassembled this one, but I can use something like this liquid wrench, and I'll spray that into that latch mechanism, and I'll hold the door lock open and I'll work that back and forth, and that'll break loose a lot of the crud in there. It doesn't always get everything out, but 9 times out of 10 it'll fix a sticking latch on you. Okay, now I'm going to test to make sure the door lock is working. Hit the lock mechanism. Yeah, I can hear it. I'm gonna pull on this. Yep, definitely not opening. And the latch is not triggering. Alright, so we'll unlock it. Slightly pull on the door handle. Yep, pop the glass and open the door. And it seems like that's all working like it should. Close it again, latch the glass, we'll start this thing up and we'll test out the windshield wiper. Wiper. And there you can see it's moving. So let's go over here and see if this is working like I think it should. Grab on the handle. Nothing happening. Pull on it hard. Door is locked. I'd say it's fixed. I just got to get the rear glass for it.